Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're starting on the daily, going down to the 1 hour. So on the daily, I mean, we've been drifting down, but we still don't know if this move down is just a pullback to this move up. So if we get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level on shorter time phase, we are definitely going to go back to being bullish the dollar. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I don't think the structure has really changed since yesterday. Yesterday, I came on and I said that the 2 hour time frame structure is what would turn me back into a bull. Now, as you can see, we did bounce from the 61%. We definitely did make a move up. We did break some of the more insignificant structure right here, but that likely is just a pullback to the 5 waves down. So we are definitely still bearish the dollar because we do not have that significant break of structure to the upside yet at a Fibonacci level. So still looking for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves unless we get that break of structure to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.